Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to get big rewards in Monopoly Go. So let's start. So first is Mega Bank Heist. During this limited time event, every heist has the possibility to be a mega heist. Players can earn huge rewards by earning the 3 gold bars hidden in the bank vault of their target. Complete missions and events. Monopoly Go often incorporates special missions and events that can provide lucrative rewards. Keep an eye out for these opportunities and actively participate in them. Missions may involve specific tasks or challenges that, when completed, grant you bonus rewards, such as extra cash, free properties, or other advantageous game mechanics. Events could include auctions or unique opportunities to acquire valuable assets or bonuses. Stay engaged with the game and seize these chances to earn big rewards. Utilize power-ups and abilities. In Monopoly Go, power-ups and special abilities are often introduced to enhance gameplay. These can provide significant advantages and rewards when used strategically. Some power-ups might boost your rent income, allow you to acquire properties at a discounted rate, or even grant you extra turns. Pay attention to the power-ups available in the game and use them wisely to maximize your rewards. Save them for critical moments when they can have the most impact on your overall success. So there we have it, guys. This is how you can earn big rewards in Monopoly Go. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.